If you are over 40 and you think YouTube is only for kids, this video is for you. You work all days, you have a family, bills, responsibilities. But let me ask you a question. What's happened if your main job disappear the next years? In this video, I will give you 3 real reasons why YouTube is the best second job for you after 40. And 3 simple steps to start this week using only your phone and your experience. Stay with me until the end because I will share the number 1 mistake that's killed the most YouTube channel over 40. No motivation fluffs, just a practical YouTube strategy for busy adults. If you are new here, my name is Chekh. I'm almost 30. I had been working for a long hour driving until I built my own online business, and now I am building a second YouTube channel as a third job. I don't have a film degree. English is not my first language, but I was doing this while I'm driving 12 hours a day until I built my successful YouTube channel and my online business. So if you are over 40 with me, with more experience than me, you can confidently do this too. We are in the same fight. Less time, more responsibility, and the need for a second income. Now, reason number 1, YouTube pays you for being useful, not for being famous. People over 40 have real life skills. Nurse, whether you are a teacher, mechanics, driver or manager or even parent, every problem you solve at your home or your work, you can do a video on it and be a second job for you on YouTube. YouTube loves this kind of content, how to fix, how to start, and how to avoid this mistake. When your video solve a real problem, you can earn from ads, affiliate links, coaching, and digital product without millions of subscribers. You are already useful in real life. YouTube is how you turn that into income. Reason number 2, YouTube is a digital asset. A video you record this weekend can bring views and money next month, and next year's, even in the 5 years. Instagram, TikTok stories, they dies in 24 hours. You work hard, it disappear. On YouTube, your best video keep working for you like a small employer that never sleeps and never asks for a salary. That's what's busy people over 40 need. Work once, get paid many times. Reason number 3, YouTube is search engine. People type things like how to fix back pain at 50, best side hustle over 40, how to invest for the retirement. If your video answer that questions, YouTube and Google will push it into thousands of people for free. That is a perfect for older creators because our knowledge is exactly what people are researching for right now. We don't need a viral dance, we just need a smart, helpful videos. So maybe you agree YouTube is powerful, but you are thinking, Chekh, I am busy. How do I actually start? Let me give you 3 steps. Step number 1, pick one useful topic from your real life. Ask yourself, what do people already ask me for to help with? Maybe it's money and budgeting. Maybe it's teach and funds or technique, or maybe it's migration, maybe it's moving to a new country, maybe it's health and nutrition, maybe parenting or your job skills. That is your YouTube niche. It does not need to be perfect, it just needs to help real people. So, step number 2, create 3 simple videos in the next 30 days. Each video should answer 1 clear questions. How to start as a beginner, biggest mistake people make, 1 extra, 3 tips I wish I know before. Keep each video between 5 to 10 minutes. Write a few bullet points. Put your phone at your eyes level. Sit near a window and talk like you are helping one friend. Don't chase perfection, chase clarity. Step number 3. You can choose one upload a day and protect it. For example, every Tuesday night after work or every Sunday morning, one video a week for 1 year will teach you more than 50 YouTube tutorials. So consistency beats perfection, especially when you are over 40 and you busy as you are right now. Now, one more thing before we finish. Views only come if people click. When you make a title and thumbnail speak directly to people in your age. For example, over 40 start with YouTube side job right now. I am 45, this is why I choose YouTube instead of a second job. Make the promise clear, make the text big, show your face with a real emotion. A good thumbnail and titles tell YouTube people over 40 will click this. Listen, if you are over 40 and you don't start right now, in 5 years you will still be busy and you will still be tired and still wishing you had a second source of income. Your experience is not useless, it is your advantage. If you want more simple, clear videos about growing YouTube channel as your second job, subscribe to this channel now and tell me in the comment what is your age and what topic do you want to create a videos about. I read every comment. I will use your answer to plan the next video. Thank you and see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching. And remember, you are not too late, YouTube.